Unlock the power of visual storytelling with your data by mastering the art of the pie chart in Excel. First, let's get our data organized in Excel. You'll need two columns, one for your categories or labels, and another for the corresponding values or proportions. For example, you might have North region with a sales figure, South region with its sales, and so on. Ensure your data is clean and accurately represents the proportions you want to visualize. With your data ready, the next step is to select it. Click and drag your mouse to highlight both columns, including the headers that describe your data. This tells Excel exactly what information to use for your chart. Now, navigate to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. Look for the Charts group here. You'll find a variety of chart types. Click on the pie chart icon. Excel offers several pie chart variations, like 2D pie, 3D pie, or donut charts for a clear representation. The standard 2D pie is usually a great starting point. Instantly, Excel will generate a pie chart based on your selected data. Notice how each slice represents a proportion of the whole, and the size of the slice corresponds to its value. But we're not done yet. Let's make it visually appealing. With the chart selected, you'll see two new tabs appear on the ribbon: Chart Design and Format. In the Chart Design tab, you can explore different chart styles and color palettes to match your presentation theme. Experiment to find a look that best highlights your data. For better interpretation, let's add some labels. Click anywhere on the pie chart, then look for the Chart Elements button, often represented by a plus sign, located next to the chart. Click it, and select Data Labels. You can choose to display values, percentages, or category names directly on or around the slices, making your chart instantly understandable. You can also customize the position of these labels for optimal readability. Simply click on a label and drag it to a preferred spot, or use the Data Labels drop-down for more precise placement options. Finally, don't forget to give your chart a clear and descriptive title. Click on the existing title placeholder and type in a title that accurately reflects the data being presented. This ensures anyone viewing your chart immediately understands what it represents. And there you have it, a professional, visually engaging pie chart in Excel, ready to communicate your data story.